Look deep inside yourself. If you are feeling frustrated with life, wondering how you can possibly juggle it all and still achieve the success and happiness you want, you are not alone. Have you ever found yourself wondering why you aren't as successful as you would like to be? Have you ever put off the opportunity to pursue your goals or told yourself it is not the right time to go after them? Do you already know what path you want to take and what steps you need to get there? But it feels like a force is holding you back from moving forward. Most people would like to have more wealth, a better job, or their own thriving business, or deeper, more loving relationships, and greater inner peace, better health, a fit body, and many more. But very few people manage to meet the goals they set for themselves. It seems there is always something else holding them back. We will see what it is. No matter what area of life you struggle with, whether it is your weight, your marriage, your job, your business, or your bank account, you have probably already gone looking for guidance on how to create. Why? There is no need to embarrassing, because if you are struggling to create your ideal life, if you find yourself wondering how you are ever going to meet your goals, and if you have started to wonder if you will ever get to start crossing items off your bucket list, congratulations, you are in the right place now. Because the sad fact is that most people don't fall to reach their goals because they aren't trying. They might spend their entire lives chasing after success, only to find that as soon as they overcome one obstacle with the other, life seems to be immediately through another problem. But still, no matter what they do, they still aren't as successful as they would like to be. And that is not because they have done something wrong. It is because they never really reach the root cause that ties all of their issues together. So, what is that root cause? To find it, you need to look deep inside yourself. So, what is that root cause? To find it, you need to look deep inside yourself. See my upcoming videos for how to solve any problem to achieve your ideal life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscription button. Thank you.